Hello, this is Doug the Two-Minute Gardener. This is a new series called Small Backyard Remodels, where I kind of go through some really simple little remodel tips and ideas that might help you with your backyard remodel. So the first one up, small backyard. So this particular client, their kids were in high school. They kind of outgrown the lawn thing, but they still had a dog, and they really just were looking to expand an entertaining area in the backyard. So we took this little backyard and said, hey, let's get rid of most of this grass and just kind of create a really nice paver patio. We'll still leave a little bit of turf on the side just because they do have the dog, but let's make it artificial turf so it doesn't use the water and the maintenance that you might have otherwise. And otherwise, let's do a really nice little paver patio. So this is a Kalal paver. It's a really beautiful, modern, clean look paver series. And then let's also add a barbecue to go with it, along with a little outdoor fireplace. So these are both powered off the same gas line, and it turned out really, really great. So that's a polished concrete countertop. We also wrapped the existing shade structure with these pillar wraps to kind of create a little bit more counter space. So it really kind of helps that little outdoor entertaining area between the barbecue and the fireplace and the outdoor counter space. So tiny little yard, not much counters, not much space to work with, but now you have space. You can hold like 20 people in the backyard for a lovely cocktail party. So that's it. Just a couple quick ideas on how to use small backyard spaces. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my videos. I'm going to do about 20 of these little quick 2-minute videos on how to overhaul your backyard and use it better. So this is Doug the Two-Minute Gardener saying thanks so much for watching.